Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Canon PIXMA G3060 Printer 5200 error. Okay, now I am going to show you how to fix this error. Now you see on the screen error is 5200. Okay, I am going to show you how to fix this error. Now first checking here in this printer all time ink available, but blue color or cyan is not perfect. Bubbles are there. Okay, now first flush ink in this printer. Okay, close this cover. Okay, close this cover. Now press power button for power of printer. Now please wait while printer is powering off. After off, press once again power button and power on the printer. Please wait, it's take a time to ready for printer. Okay, now you on see on screen Canon shown. Okay, wait for other options. Okay, now you see here printer is now warming or ready for print. Okay, now you see here. Now press setting and select here maintenance. Okay, now click on maintenance, press OK. Now select here ink flush. Okay, press OK. Now select here color only. Black, my black print is perfect. Click OK, press OK. Press OK. Select here yes. Press OK. Once again, ink flush. Select all color and make this setting. Okay. Select yes. Click on press OK. Press yes. Okay. Now printer is ink flushing mode. It's take a time for 6 minutes. Okay. After this completion, first take here nozzle check print. Okay, now you see printer is warming. Nozzle check print now coming, please wait. Okay, now you see nozzle check print is come. Okay, you see print is perfect. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.